Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you how you can get any notification from Twitter user. So if you think that if someone tweet and if you want to get immediately notification, then you can set your notification in specific followers or specific users. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then we'll learn. Before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, write the comment below and I will provide you the solution video in upcoming video, right? So let's begin the tutorial. So here you can see the Twitter icon. Click on this. Okay, so you have to choose any user. So I have a user, this one. Okay, so I want to get all tweet or a specific tweet from this user. So how can you do this? How can you get notification? So this one here you can see the option, right? Okay, so click on this, and after clicking on that symbol, then you will get the pop-up background in bottom. So here are three options: account notification, all tweets. First one, all tweets. So if you choose this one, all tweets, then when this user will tweet anything in this in her account, then you will get all tweet notification immediately. Okay, so if you choose only live video, then when this user will submit a video in her account, then you will get that notification only for video. So if you don't need any notification, just turn off notification off, then you will not get any notification from this user. Okay friend, you can choose according to your demand. Okay, so I hope this video was very helpful for you. So if you think that this video got helpful, please subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem regarding Android, social media, or anything in your real life or online life, just let me know in comment below. I'll provide you the video. Okay, so today is no more, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.